Revolution cut. This move was created by Brian Tudor and was first featured and explained in his DVD show-off in 1999. To perform this move, begin in straddle grip with the fingers extended. Start performing a charlier cut by dropping half the cards down into the palm using your thumb. Alternatively, you can begin in mechanics grip with the pinky at the bottom and lift half the deck up by breaking the deck with your thumb and sliding the thumb along the long edge. Your thumb should be about halfway along the packet. Now move your index finger to the opposite long edge around halfway up. From this point, move the ring finger to the short edge of the bottom packet. At the same time, move the pinky finger to a natural position below the ring finger. You also want to extend your middle finger to keep it clear of the cards. The top packet should then only be gripped by the index finger and thumb. From here, move the thumb towards the ring finger to pivot the packet around the index finger. Once the thumb is fully extended, you should be able to transfer the grip from the thumb to the ring finger. The packet should now be gripped between the index finger and the ring finger. From this point, you want to rotate the packet around the index finger by extending the ring finger. After you reach this point, you need to move the index finger towards yourself, curling it in to complete the rotation. You now want to support what was the top packet using the pinky finger at the short edge closest to the body. This packet is now supported by the ring, middle and pinky fingers. Now curl the index finger in to drop the rotated packet into the palm and use the thumb to support the other packet. Now let the cards drop like in a charlier cut by pushing them with the thumb or by simply tilting the hand. Tips. To exaggerate the spinning motion, you can cock your hand and the packet backwards by rotating the wrist and moving your thumb away from the body.